What is now conveyed from the drying tank by an automated motor is Burmese teak, which is the raw material for a furniture factory in Thailand. After 1.5 days of high-frequency electric field dehydration, the moisture content of these woods dropped from the initial 20% to about 12%. The moisture content of these woods has reached a balanced state, reaching the same moisture content gradient. Such wood is more stable after being processed into furniture, and it is not easy to warp and crack. The high-frequency wood vacuum dryer, also called a radiofrequency wood dryer, in the vacuum drying tank, uses a high-frequency heating system to reduce the flow and gasification temperature of moisture in the wood, which can efficiently dry the wood and reduce the moisture content of the wood. It not only eliminates internal stress, but also balances the moisture of the wood. After drying, the wood will not crack or deform, and it can also well protect the original color of the wood. No matter whether the drying material is thin or thick planks, small strips or large planks, it ensures that the wood is dried in good condition and quality. JYC High Frequency Equipment Co. Limited started in 1993 and has more than 30 years of history and industry technology accumulation. Our high-frequency woodworking machinery is sold to more than 60 countries around the world and has served more than 2,000 corporate customers.